pesto. That's what we're cooking with today. Hi, Happy New Year. We are here to talk about pesto and what an easy add it is to so many things. I grabbed some pesto out of the Prima Strada case yesterday when I was running out the door. I've got some chicken hanging out that was marinated with lemon, olive oil, garlic, and rosemary. I like orecchiette because it's shaped like a little ear and it catches all of the goodness of the pesto in it. Before we relegate our parm rind to the freezer in preparation for their next life as a soup base or something like that, we really do grate out quite a bit. So thought we'd show you that here's our regular block of parm. Here's a parm rind. We've got a little container as we get down to the ends of them, and we're sure to grate off quite a bit of cheese, so I'll show you that in a little bit. And I thought we'd celebrate with a little Alderley Vineyard, which is a local Cowichan Valley wine. So delicious. Crack that open at the end and have a little toast. Pesto can be a lot of different greens. This happens to be basil with a little bit of spinach. So many delicious possibilities with pesto. And so I've got a handful of salt that I'm putting in. Have that come to a boil. We've got our pasta at the ready. I'm gonna follow the directions on the box of the pasta for cooking time. It gives you the cooking time at al dente 9 or 11. I'm gonna go with actually 10 because I'm like in the middle of al dente and whatever they're calling it. So here's my chicken pieces. We've got the lemon and the garlic and the little chili flakes. I'm gonna get that good juice in there. I'm gonna go skin down. I'm gonna go about 8-10 minutes aside for the chicken. Delicious. Here, and I think I'm actually gonna cover it. Okay, there we go. Water is boiling. I'm dumping the whole box in. I grew up in a house that always dumped the whole box in. There's always leftovers. You'll notice that a mug on my finger. I'm gonna fill it up with a bit of the pasta water, and then I'm gonna drain the rest of the pasta. My cup of pasta water. Open up the pesto. I'm gonna give it a bit of a stir, just to incorporate all the goodness. And I'm dumping in. I'm gonna pour in a bit. I'm gonna stir. Okay, so Zoe, what do you think? Is that enough pesto, or do you want more?
I think that looks good.
Okay, so this is the part that I love. See how the orecchiette catches the little bits of yummy, delicious, juicy. Need to pull the chicken out. It smells really good. Ooh, I was worried that I overcooked this, but it actually is looking lovely and juicy and perfect. You can do a simple bowl for the pesto pasta. Grate a bit of extra cheese. I always love to finish it with some parm. And you're complete, bon appetito. However, you could also do a little zhuzh. So you could do a little chicken pieces. And if you really want to take it to another level, you could sprinkle on a few pine nuts. So, pesto pasta, grilled chicken, pine nuts, Parmesan cheese. Bon appetito. Cheers.